Okay, this is the end result of my wiring job. Polarity matters. There's the rest of my connections in here. Hopefully I'm providing enough light here for you to see it. And here's another view of inside here as well. Probably just hold this next to this, yeah. Okay, and hopefully I documented it well enough so if somebody else needs it, including myself, I'll understand it. So we're going to watch the pre-filter here, and here we go. Circulation, remote switch, but hey, I don't feel like holding the switch right next to fuel because of sparks. Okay, here we go. Okay, no bubbles, no cavitation. Looks good. Okay, this is a fuel pressure test without the engine running, just to see what our readings will be. It seems I've already tested. It seems to hold pressure pretty well after an hour. But here's our meter reading. This is without turning the key to start yet. This is just with it on, and you can see, and you know, I'm recording much higher pressures than I did with the original stock pump. Much higher. I mean, maybe 5 pounds higher. Here it is with the key in the on position but not the start position, and we're showing maybe 32 or 33 pounds. I am now going to turn the key to the run position. It's not going to start because or not the run, maybe the start position here. Yeah, so here's the start position, or turning the key to start. Okay, and we're easily reading at least 40, maybe above 40. Okay, and that's with releasing, just in the plain old on position, which means the fuel pump is not running. And seems to be holding pretty good, above 30, about 32. And the other thing is, you can hear the pump. It's quiet, but not real quiet. It's not real noisy. I think once the engine is running, I won't hear it. And it's probably equal to about what the original OEM pump was doing. Okay, so the next test will be to start the car. So I'm going to conclude this video until I can hook up our gotta hook up the coil and the what is the other thing there? Oh yeah, the starter solenoid connection. Okay, so the next test, and I better go check to make sure I don't have leaks, but the next test I think is going to be start the car. Okay, engine's idling right now, and it's still warming up. It's a cold engine, but I can tell I'm already running, wow, at least 5 pounds more pressure than with the old pump. And I don't think it means this pump is so great. It means my old pump was just so bad.